Hey guys, have you ever found something that you just had to have, even though you didn't have a reason for it? So check out this little owl. You can place him on your hood, your antenna. We've got him on our mirror. He's just flapping along with us as we drive. Not necessary, just fun. Comes with a couple of sets of eyes, so you can determine what kind of eyes you want on him. I'll pause the video here in a minute and show you when we stop what he looks like from the front. But blue and yellow, but it's hilarious. I just really enjoy watching it. I know as we drive by cars, they're going to get tickled by it as well. Just a fun, unique little toy. All right, here he is. Isn't he cute? I chose the blue accented eyes. They come with pink accented eyes, but little rubber wings here, just plastic, and then like a super sticky adhesive there. Won't damage your car, but it's sticking pretty well. We were going about 40, 45 miles per hour, but super cute little toy.